Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a main screen in Roblox Studio. So firstly, you have to open Roblox Studio, then head to My Games. Then open up the game you want to add a main screen into. So I'll head into my test game. Now wait for the game to load up. Now that my game has loaded up, we can start our work. So first we will head to the toolbox and under models tab we'll search for main screen, then hit enter. Now you can see a lot of scripts with the main menu and loading screen. So I'll just select any one of them and then click on OK. So now the kit has been uploaded to our Explorers tab. So now we'll open the kit and take the Screen GUI in the Screen GUI section and the Workspace kit in the Workspace section. Now we can just delete this. Now you can extract the Workspace section in here by going to Ungroup, and in the Starters UI you can ungroup it in here. As we do not need music for now, I will just delete it. Now here you will see the main menu script, which is the main script we are using today. So after going into the loading section of the main menu GUI, we'll head to local script, and from here you can edit different assets of the loading one. You can change the credits, the game name, and also all the other small details. So I can add my game name in here. And also I can use this as the name of my group or my name. So I'll need to change it everywhere. So now all of the texts have been changed and I can close it. Now by going to the text label, we can also change the credits from here. So now most of the things are done and we can head into the game. Now you see that the game is going through a loading screen which will run for a few seconds. Now here you can see that the changed one has appeared and the name of the game has also appeared in here. Now from here, if I click on the play button, I'll successfully get into the game. So this is how you can add a main menu screen to your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.